It looks harmless, just gray dust covering the moon, but this tiny powder is one of NASA's biggest nightmares. It can destroy spacesuits, damage spacecraft, harm astronauts' lungs, and even threaten future moon missions. A tiny invisible enemy in space could damage machines, destroy equipment, and threaten future astronauts. And it is hiding everywhere. This is not a monster or a storm. The danger comes from something much smaller: moon dust. These microscopic particles can slowly damage materials that astronauts depend on for survival. Unlike dust on Earth, these particles are sharp because nothing has ever softened their edges. Every step an astronaut takes can send this dangerous dust into the air and onto their equipment. Moon dust has a strange ability to stick to almost everything, covering astronaut suits, tools, and equipment during every mission. Once inside a spacecraft, these tiny particles can spread everywhere and become difficult to remove from sensitive systems. During the Apollo missions, astronauts discovered that lunar dust entered their spacecraft and created unexpected problems after returning from the surface. Because lunar dust particles are sharp and rough, they can slowly wear down the protective layers of astronaut spacesuits. The most vulnerable areas are the moving joints, where dust can interfere with the complex mechanisms astronauts rely on. Every tool used by astronauts must survive this harsh environment, where even tiny particles can create unexpected failures.
Moon dust does not only affect spacesuits, it can also damage the delicate instruments astronauts need for communication and research.
Future lunar vehicles will face the same challenge, because dust can cover, scratch, and reduce the performance of important machines. To prepare for future missions, NASA scientists recreate lunar dust conditions and test how technology survives this extreme environment. One of NASA's biggest concerns is preventing lunar dust from reaching astronaut breathing systems and affecting their safety during missions. Researchers study these tiny particles carefully, searching for ways to protect astronauts from this invisible space hazard. Scientists are creating new spacesuit materials with stronger protection to reduce the damage caused by dangerous lunar dust. NASA researchers are exploring electric technology that could push dust away and keep astronaut equipment cleaner in space. Building a permanent human base will require advanced protection systems designed to control and survive the constant threat of lunar dust. Robotic systems may become essential helpers, cleaning equipment and preparing safer areas before astronauts arrive. Future lunar habitats may use special airlocks that remove dangerous dust before astronauts enter their living and working areas. On the moon, there is no wind or rain to remove dust, meaning these tiny particles can remain a problem for generations. Every future spacecraft, vehicle, and tool must be redesigned to survive the harsh effects of lunar dust. NASA's future Artemis missions must solve the lunar dust problem before astronauts can safely explore the surface for longer periods. Even simple repairs become more difficult when astronauts must work while protecting themselves from dangerous dust contamination. The biggest difference is hidden at a microscopic level, where lunar dust reveals sharp edges that make it far more dangerous than normal dust. Creating a permanent human presence in space depends on solving one of the smallest but most dangerous problems: lunar dust. These tiny particles may be invisible to the human eye, but their sharp structures can create serious challenges for space technology. Moon dust may look harmless from a distance, but it remains one of the greatest obstacles standing between humans and long-term space exploration. Space is full of incredible beauty, but also hidden dangers. If you enjoyed discovering the secrets of the moon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our next journey into the universe. See you in the next mission.